What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas. Today, boy, do I have something special for you. 3 stocks. That's right. 3 stocks for the month of May that are a buy now opportunity. I don't want you guys to miss out. And the key with these stocks is not only are they going to be good for the month of May, but they're going to be good for well beyond. So stay tuned right after this. Ladies and gentlemen, hold on tight. These 3 stocks I'm about to mention, they have been severely impacted by the coronavirus. And obviously I pick stocks based on how I project them to do in the future, and specifically for the month of May. But these 3 stocks I'm about to list, I forecast them to do pretty well past May. Obviously they're going to have a rough patch, just like any stock you list. Any professional that list any stocks for the future, they're going to have a rough patch. That's just the way the economy is going right now. But once they get through that rough patch, these are the stocks that I feel are going to start to skyrocket. That list is going to be Darden. And most of you are going to be like, what is Darden? I have no idea what that is. Well, I'm going to tell you not only what Darden is, but I'm going to tell you why it's a buy now opportunity. Stay tuned. Darden is a chain of restaurants that features some of the most recognizable and successful brands when speaking about full-service dining. These restaurants consist of Olive Garden, Longhorn Steakhouse, Cheddar's Scratch Kitchen, Yard House, Capital Grille, and Eddie V's. Man, that made me hungry. Darden has over 1,700 restaurants across North America. Recently, Darden revealed that restaurant sales have plummeted by 45% a quarter to date through April 19th. Darden attempted to raise capital by managing liquidity, in which they are selling 9 million shares at $58.50. Yes, this company has been struck by the coronavirus, but they have still been able to perform carryout at most locations, and recently they opened 100 Olive Garden locations again. I consider this a buy now, sitting around $79 with a 52-week high of $128. This is only going to go up once all the restaurants begin to open again. So get it while you can. Question, is Darden a buy now opportunity? I mean, just think about the chain restaurants that they have under their belt that are going to be opening very soon. Currently their stock price is sitting around $79 and its 52-week high is $128. It started to climb, it's starting to come back. Right now is the buy now opportunity. So get in while you can. Number 2 on that list is going to be Etsy. Etsy is an American e-commerce that revolves around handmade products, vintage products, and arts and crafts. And I'm going to tell you why that's a buy now for the month of May. Yes, like I said, Etsy is an American e-commerce website that focuses on items revolving around handmade items, vintage items, and craft supplies. There are an array of categories to search from. This company was founded in 2005 in Brooklyn, New York. Etsy announced a record revenue year in 2019, which was $818.4 million, and they nearly had $5 billion in gross merchandise sales on the platform. Obviously, everything that will be listed is going to be impacted by the coronavirus, but this took advantage of all the stay-at-home orders. Not only can people purchase these unique handcrafted items, but they can sell them on there as well. During this rough time, many people turn to home maintenance or arts and crafts. Etsy also has a solid balance sheet. It is currently sitting around $66.72, and its 52-week high is $71.80. Yes, I understand it's pretty close to the 52-week high, but I'm telling you, with all the experience that they had during the coronavirus, this is a stock that's going to accelerate. It's going to have great revenue. It's going to have great positivity. They're going to be going through the roof. It's time to buy now for the month of May. Number 3 on that list, and it's the most unique of all of these guys, and I'm telling you, I would have never picked this stock if it wasn't for the coronavirus. Truthfully, I probably would have never even knew it existed, and that's going to be Teladoc Health. Teladoc Health is a multinational virtual healthcare company based out of the United States. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about them and why I think not only is it a buy now in the month of May, but well beyond into the future. Teladoc took off and doubled its first of the year stock price once the coronavirus devastated majority of the world. This is one stock that revolutionized how we conduct a doctor visit. Being able to have a virtual appointment is extraordinary, especially during a time like this coronavirus. As a result of the pandemic, it has seen an unprecedented surge in demand for its services. The company said they are routinely conducting more than 20,000 virtual visits a day in the United States. They are continuously working to upgrade as they recently streamlined its onboarding process. This is something that is unique well beyond the coronavirus. KeyBank Capital Markets analyst Donald Hooker reiterated his overweight rating on the stock while lifting his target price to $180 from $145. He points out that volume of visits has continued to accelerate from 7,500 a day in early March to 15,000 a day in mid-March to 20,000 a day at the end of March. Evidence that June quarter results should also be strong. Hooker also notes that some of the company's contracts include pricing resets as visit volumes hit certain thresholds, a factor he says should trigger catch-up revenues in coming quarters. Teladoc shares were up 3.7% at $163.14 in recent trading. This is a unique company. This is going to be something that's going to be well beyond the month of May. You know, you just got to think about a virtual doctor visit and just where they can revolutionize and grow even more. And that's just amazing to me. So for that reason, it is a buy now for the month of May. But buy it while it's down anytime, guys. This is definitely a buy now whenever its price point is reasonable. Hopefully you invest in these three stocks moving forward in the month of May. And as always, if you like the video, like the video. It helps out tremendously. And if this is content that you enjoy, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to the channel. And as always, have a good day.